Hello friend, welcome to my channel Social Share Education. In this video, I will write an essay on election in India. The electoral landscape of India is a vibrant tapestry woven with the threads of democracy, diversity, and dynamic political discourse. As the country gears up for the forthcoming elections scheduled from 19th April to 1st June 2024, it embarks on a journey that epitomizes the essence of democratic governance on a grand scale. Rooted in a rich historical context dating back to its independence in 1947, India's democratic ethos is enshrined in its republican constitution, which lays the foundation for free and fair elections. The Election Commission of India, ECI, established as an autonomous constitutional authority, plays a pivotal role in overseeing the conduct of elections, ensuring adherence to electoral laws and procedures, and upholding the principles of fairness, transparency, and integrity. With a population exceeding a billion, India's electoral process is unparalleled in its magnitude, involving millions of voters, diverse political parties, and a myriad of socio-political issues. These elections serve as a litmus test for the country's democratic resilience, providing a platform for citizens to exercise their franchise, participate in the governance process, and shape the nation's future. At the heart of India's electoral system lies the principle of universal adult suffrage, which grants every citizen above the age of 18 the right to vote, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, or socio-economic status. This democratic ideal underscores the inclusive nature of Indian elections, where every vote holds equal significance and every voice has the power to influence the course of governance. The electoral process unfolds across multiple phases, spanning weeks or even months, to accommodate the vast geographical expanse and diverse demographics of the country. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the sun-kissed shores of the Indian Ocean, millions of voters queue up at polling booths to cast their ballots, exercising their democratic rights with a sense of pride and responsibility. However, the democratic spectacle of Indian elections is not without its challenges. Issues such as electoral fraud, money power, identity politics, and misinformation pose significant threats to the integrity of the electoral process. Ensuring free and fair elections requires constant vigilance, robust regulatory mechanisms, and stringent enforcement of electoral laws. The Election Commission of India, ECI, plays a proactive role in addressing these challenges, deploying technology-driven initiatives such as voter-verified paper audit trail (VVPAT) machines, electronic voting machines (EVMs), and online voter registration to enhance transparency and accountability in the electoral process. Moreover, the ECI collaborates with various stakeholders, including political parties, civil society organizations, and law enforcement agencies, to combat electoral malpractices and uphold the sanctity of the electoral process. Beyond the technicalities of electoral administration, Indian elections are characterized by the diversity of political parties, ideologies, and electoral strategies that vie for public support and electoral victory. From national parties with a pan-Indian presence to regional outfits representing specific linguistic, cultural, or regional interests, the Indian political landscape is a kaleidoscope of competing visions and agendas. Political parties engage in rigorous campaigning, utilizing a range of tactics such as rallies, roadshows, door-to-door canvassing, social media outreach, and mass media advertising to connect with voters and garner support for their candidates. The election campaign becomes a battleground of ideas, where political leaders articulate their vision for the country's development, debate pressing issues, and seek to sway public opinion in their favor. The electoral battleground of India is also marked by the participation of diverse social groups, including women, youth, minorities, and marginalized communities, whose voices and aspirations are integral to the democratic process. Efforts to enhance the representation of these groups in electoral politics have led to various affirmative action measures, such as reservation of seats for women in local governing bodies, panchayats and municipalities, scheduled castes, SCs, and scheduled tribes, STs, in legislative assemblies and parliament, and provisions for other backward classes, OBCs, in educational institutions and public employment. These measures aim to promote inclusivity, diversity, and social justice in Indian democracy, ensuring that no section of society is left behind in the march towards progress and prosperity. Moreover, Indian elections serve as a barometer of public sentiment, reflecting the hopes, aspirations, and concerns of the electorate. They provide a platform for citizens to express their grievances, demand accountability from elected representatives, and advocate for policy changes that address pressing socio-economic challenges. The electoral mandate becomes a mandate for governance, empowering elected leaders to formulate policies, enact laws, and allocate resources in accordance with the needs and aspirations of the people. However, electoral mandates also come with the responsibility of governance, requiring elected representatives to fulfill their promises, deliver on their commitments, and work towards the welfare and development of the nation. In conclusion, elections in India are not just a political event, they are a celebration of democracy, diversity, and the collective will of the people. As the country prepares for the forthcoming elections, it reaffirms its commitment to democratic principles, pluralism, and inclusive governance. The electoral process serves as a testament to India's democratic resilience, where every vote counts and every voice matters. As citizens exercise their franchise and participate in the democratic process, they renew the promise of a brighter, more inclusive future for generations to come.